Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I will show you how to fix DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. Try running without the -dx12 or -d3d12 command line argument error on PC. So let's go through it. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So launch Steam and search for the game. After that, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to library section on Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now here in the launch option you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, select type dx12 and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. Now if it doesn't resolve, again come back. Here you have to type -d3d11 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers, and after updating, try to launch the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now this is the game application. You have to simply double click on it and check if it's opening or not. If not, you have to run the game as admin. So for that, right click on it. Now click on properties, click on compatibility. Here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game. If it doesn't resolve, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If it doesn't resolve, again go here, click on Ghost, then go to the binaries Win64 and here you can see Ghost minus Win64 minus shipping. You have to simply click on it, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to play the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, select properties, click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even load the graphic settings. So what you need to do is go to Steam, now click on play option. Now after the game opens, here you have to click on settings, then click on video and here you can see window mode. You have to select window and now lower the resolution to 1280 into 720. Now then go below and here you will see VSync is already turned off, so you should turn it off. Now anti-aliasing method, you have to keep it off. Then frame rate, you have to keep it 60 fps. After that, go below and here you can see global illumination, you have to keep it low or medium. It's better to keep it low. Then shadows also you should keep it medium, or you should keep it medium. Now lighting, you should keep it as low. Anti-aliasing, you should keep it as medium. Texture, you should keep it as low. Now effects also you should keep it as low, and reflections you should also keep it as low. And whatever settings you are doing, make sure to apply all these changes, make it low for better performance. And after that, click on apply change and then try to play the game and see if this resolves the problem. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Now after that, click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game. If you don't find the game, you have to click on allow another app, then click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. So it's saying the game has already been listed. So here if you select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. For that, Steam users go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here you have to enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to disable it, and after that, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link already provided in the description, copy and paste it in your browser. It opens, go below, and here you have to click on the link, download it, and after that, open the link, and here you will get either install option or repair options. Simply click on repair option and wait for some time. Now here you will get setup successful. Close this and restart your PC. After restarting, log into the game and check. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game. Next method is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R, and here you have to type msconfig, press enter. Now this will open system configuration page. Click on services. Now click on hide all Microsoft services, then click on disable all. Once done, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager, and here you have to select the application, and after selecting, click on disable. Once done, go back and again click on OK, and then try to launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings, open it, and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Steam. Select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after that, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that, launch the game and check if it is working. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, open it, then click on settings, then click on advanced, then click on change, and here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom size. Here you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK, and after that, launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If it doesn't resolve, then the final solution is to reinstall SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game. Further, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam and reinstall SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game on your PC, and click on play button and check if it is working or not.